be a pretty big ice and snowstorm coming. First ice, then snow. I heard 8 to 10 inches. That's quite a bit for us. We're on the east. Right on time with the snow, so it looks like they were right this time. I'm gonna have to go fix my snowblower. I'll show you what's wrong with it. Might need it. There she be, my Craftsman snowblower. It's been okay. It's a little two-stroke. It's loud, but once it gets running, it does a good job. Anyway, last time I used it, it was making a terrible noise, and you could tell the blades were unbalanced. Let's check out the blades. Oh man, yep. Look at there, that rubber come right off this blade. This side looks fine. They used rivets, big rivets, and it tore right through the rubber. That can't flop around. Wonder what that is. Something got stabbed in there, I think. Man. What is it? It's a giant piece of nail, like an old-fashioned nail, square. That thing whips around so fast it buried itself. I wonder if that was hitting on this thing. Might have been what was making some clanking noise. Anyway, let's look at these rivets. How are we going to deal with that? Okay, here's the rivets. Yeah, they're pressed on there. They're not supposed to be changed. What I could do though is drill them out and then maybe run a bolt through with a couple washers. Think that'll work with a lock nut or something on them. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one looks okay. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spots. Let me dig up some hardware for that and maybe we can drill those out of there. Yeah, it's a plan. I have some 1/4-inch bolts here. And I grabbed some washers. So I got 2 washers. Here, let's put these on here. There's 2 big washers, and then I have a lock washer so it doesn't come undone because I didn't have any lock nuts, and a lock nut to secure it, or a nut rather. Let's see if that'll go through. So yeah, I think that'll be long enough, just long enough to hold those on there. Think it'll work? Now I gotta try to get those out. That ought to be fun. Wow. That was kind of violent, but it worked. Let's see if our screw will go through the hole. Our bolt, I mean, screw bolt, whatever. Yes, it will. Okay. Just got to do the rest. See if I can pull that one out. There we go. Bunch of green string wrapped around it. Looks like Christmas, don't it? I'm gonna hit it real fast with the grinder. Anyway, let's see what happens with our bolts. Okay, we're going to start with a washer on this side. Washer on this side. A lock washer. I could have gone shorter. I have shorter ones, bolts, but I don't know if I'll need them. That'll work. That'll work. Put some more. Look at that, I'm bleeding. I hit my hand on something. It's gotta work now. It's got my blood. This one I might have to cut shorter. It looks like it might hit this. You. Yeah, I did it. Okay, 2 wrenches. Maybe a Band-Aid. I don't think I have to cut those off, but maybe I will anyway. Just so there's nothing there for something to get caught on. Good. I didn't ignite the gasoline, that's good. Next. Ready to roll, I think. And while I'm waiting for the snow to pile up so I can try out my snowblower fix, I'm going to go ahead and start the generator too. A lot of times we'll have power outages and they're not fun if your generator doesn't run, so I try to start it every now and then. Let's start it up and see if it runs. Forgot the joke. Good enough for me. It's not super hard right now, but the major part of the front hasn't come through yet. So this is just the teaser, I have a feeling. Rosie's still working great after about 5 years. I changed the batteries out, downloaded some firmware. I had to take it apart and repair it once, but yeah, this vacuum works great. Yeah, it's the next day, and we did get snow. A lot of ice under the snow. So we'll pull out the snow blower and see how it works. There's that generator that I just took the cover off last night, so you can see we did get some snow. Yeah. All right, let's get to it. Holding up pretty good. I hit the sidewalk corner out there with it. Made a hell of a bang, but it seems fine. So yeah, it's holding up for now. If there's any changes, I'll let you know. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up for us. Leave a comment. See you on the next one.